Hello, this is Dr. Atar Rahman Khan, consultant in internal medicine. I am talking about COVID once again. COVID is on the surge across the world, especially in Bangladesh and South Asia. But we have to take some countermeasures to fight this virus and to fight this pandemic. Countermeasures are vaccination, vaccination, and vaccination. Isolation, quarantine, and self-protecting mechanism such as social distancing, hand hygiene, wearing of facial mask, avoid gatherings. If not needed, we didn't need to go outside to get the virus. Virus cannot be transmitted from human to others at the present time. So virus is looking for a human being to get transmitted. The virus is in mutation many times, and especially RNA virus has the characteristic of frequent mutation, such as influenza virus has mutation. This is the reason that we have to take influenza vaccine every year. This virus mutation especially took place in UK, Brazil, and South Africa. UK variant 117 is more deadly and more virulent and more infectious. It is 70% more infectious than the previous COVID variant, meaning that if we are in 6 feet social distance, we have to make it 10 feet social distance. That's what I strongly believe. This virus has more virulence, meaning that it has the power to cause the disease better than the other virus. It can cause tissue damage more than others, and it is more deadly. What is the measures you're going to take? The countermeasures are vaccination. We have to vaccinate ourselves and our loved ones. 2 vaccines, that all you are needed. Apart from one vaccine, you take one vaccine, then you take another vaccine in 1 to 2 months. 90 to 95% protection can be provided via vaccines. Vaccines are very effective. Don't pay heed to the rumor. Get your vaccine today if you can, and do all the health hygiene measures to prevent the virus. Prevention is better than cure. There is a lot to do on your part. That be responsible. Your behavior, your moment of thinking can save a life, can save you, your loved one, and can save others. Because this COVID virus can infect one victim of virus. If you are infected, then you can transmit the virus at least 3 people. Therefore, you are not getting infected in first place. That is what I want. In Bangladesh, this is going on very speedily, and all the hospitals are occupied with COVID patient, and there are a lot of fatality in this country, and doctors are struggling to get the patient accommodated in the ICU and in the general COVID ward. And I am part of it. Please keep me in prayers so that I can survive many years to provide my care to the COVID victims and to other people. Please subscribe my channel, Dr. Atar Rahman Khan. Thank you so much. I will see you soon.